How to use Bit2Me Earn? First, go to the Earn tab in the app and enter the service. You will see the available cryptocurrencies and their percentage of APY that you can earn. Click on Add and choose the cryptocurrency you want, and from your wallet, enter the desired amount. You can do it from €1. If you meet certain conditions, you get a higher bonus of extra APY. For example, if you belong to some Bit2Me tiers, you can get from 0.5% to 2.5% extra. Also, if you get the rewards in Bit2Me, you will get 2% more, and the Bit2Me generated will automatically go to the farming pool to generate more rewards. It should be noted that if the rewards are in Bit2Me, you will receive them daily. On the other hand, if they are through the rest of the cryptocurrencies, you will receive them weekly. What do you have to do if you want to withdraw the rewards? Click on the Withdraw button, select the wallet you want to send our rewards, and accept. At any time, you can check the amount of money you have in Earn and the overall accumulated amount of your rewards. You can also see in addition to the tier Bit2Me level in which we are. How does Bit2Me Earn work with Bit2Me? The Bit2Me farming pool will distribute a total of 100 million Bit2Me during 1 year. Every day, more than 270,000 Bit2Me will be distributed among all the Bit2Me farming pool participants according to the amount deposited, calculating the reward percentage every minute.